What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I'm going to go out on a limb, and I've said it multiple times, that this bull run, right, when we see altcoin season truly fly, there's going to be plenty of people that have an opportunity to become a crypto millionaire. And we're going to see it happen right before our eyes. The reason is because we haven't even seen altcoin season happen. We haven't seen the new all-time highs for everything that was a part of the old 2021 bull run. We've seen some all-time highs for newer projects that were created in the bear market that never really seen a bull market yet. Something like a Pepe or even like a lot of meme coins that were created or any type of utility coin. You see new all-time highs, but we haven't seen these all-time highs for things like Ethereum or things like even XRP, all-time high market cap wise, but definitely not price. BNB, we haven't seen that new all-time high, and so on and so forth. There's many opportunities out there to still be able to gain a ton. And even though we're sitting at an all-time high for market cap, that's all attributed to Bitcoin's success and the movement that Bitcoin has seen. So in this video, I'm going to explain why I believe that all of us are going to have that opportunity to be millionaires. But does that mean we will 100% be a millionaire? That's yet to be seen, and I'll explain that as well. So guys, if you could, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested in trading on a leverage trading platform. If you sign up specifically using my link, you will get 10% deposit bonus, as well as up to $10,055 per user of extra bonuses. You can get 40% lower trading fees, as well as being able to trade 500x leverage. I never recommend that, but you can trade 500x leverage. And then if you want to be less risky, you can trade outright or do a 2x leverage if you want to. Honestly, a really, really good platform. So feel free to check it out. Give it a look. But cryptocurrency, like I said, currently stands at a $3.68 trillion market cap, hitting all-time highs. What seems like every week we see a new all-time high. We see a new level for Bitcoin. Bitcoin gets to $100,000+, which is insane to say. When I first looked at it when I was in college, it was nowhere near that. But I also didn't understand cryptocurrency at all, literally until 2020. So it took me about 7 years to even start to research it a little bit. And that's my own fault, right? I look at it and see nothing but speculation, and I start to follow Warren Buffett strategies and all of that. And then I'm like, you know what? Let me branch outside. Let me move outside the box here, right? Think outside the box, not move outside the box, but think outside the box. And that's where I started to kind of dabble into cryptocurrency. But we're hitting all-time highs, right? $3.68 trillion market cap. Some people believe that we're at the top right now. And if you believe that, then you can make your move and trade whatever you want to trade, sell whatever you want to sell, and also be upset when the fact that altcoin season truly blows your mind. Because honestly, I don't even think a $5 trillion market cap is going to suffice here. I think there's going to be at least a $10 trillion market cap that we kind of fiddle with, I would say. We kind of dance around the $10 trillion market cap level. And I think it's going to be amazing to see so many different cryptocurrencies have so much success. Because this is going to be the first time in history that we see so many coins over $100 billion worth of value. That's what I believe. So there's still so much opportunity in the crypto market right now. Definitely below the top 10, top 5, right? Because you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB. That's all at $100 billion market cap or more, right? Dogecoin is on its way, but the next one from BNB is literally over $30 billion away. and then you have a $20 billion gap, and then you have, it starts to get closer and closer. You have a USDC that is between Tron and USDC, that's a $20 billion gap. Avalanche, you have a $6 billion gap, then it's a $2 billion gap, $2 billion gap, $3 billion or $1 billion gap. So you see it, right? You're going to see a lot more success in things that you wouldn't have thought of. Maybe some people wouldn't have thought of, right? You can see HBAR that is going to make some moves, XLM that's going to make some moves, Chainlink that's going to be worth a lot more than where we stand here today. And yes, this is all speculation, right? It's all based on what we see in the individual use cases. But I 100% believe that we're going to see the crypto market absolutely thrive. So what do I mean by us becoming millionaires? Because I for sure understand that people don't have an absolute massive amount to make them all millionaires. But we are all going to have the opportunity to become millionaires. Because with the meme coins that we hold, with the utility projects that we hold, with the gaming cryptos, the transaction-based currencies or store values or whatever it is, proof of stake and proof of work and just mining and whatever, right? With all the opportunities that we have right in front of us, we're going to have that opportunity to take millions of dollars in worth of profit. Now, whether you let it get to that point or not, that's on you, right? Because right now, I'm up to a massive amount, right? Compared to where I started with. But I could take that now and accept the gains that I've had and be happy with those gains that I've had. Or I can see the bull market for what it is and see altcoins for what it is, develop an exit strategy to give me multiple chances to make millions of dollars from either one play or multiple plays. But that's totally up to you. And I'm not saying that you have to hold out for the absolute best case scenario, because I'm a huge fan of creating an exit plan to essentially make money in this bull market. But there are going to be some people that are investing late, that believe in crypto, that if you're selling at a certain point, that it got to a high point, know that somebody bought at that level, right? And why did they buy? They bought for the short-term gain. They bought for even just to establish some sort of something in cryptocurrency. So we all are going to have an opportunity. As of right now, the people that are invested into crypto, as crypto skyrockets, gets up to a $7 trillion, $10 trillion market cap, there are other people that are now coming on and may potentially risk a lot more because it's at a much higher point. But us right now, we have the opportunity of a lifetime. Us in, a year ago or 2 years ago, we had the opportunity of a lifetime to invest in at a low level when nobody else is really talking about crypto. Believe me, I put out the videos and I really didn't see that much traction. So if you were here, a part of the Jasmine Coin videos, a part of the XRP videos, a part of the Terra Luna Classic videos, and Book of Meme and Litecoin videos, and all of the things that we put out, you are going to have that opportunity to be a crypto millionaire. It's just whether you want to take it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested in leverage trading. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.